Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Sarah and today I have yet another teeth whitening review for you guys. I'm really excited to be reviewing HiSmile for you guys today. I know that this will be a back-to-back on my channel teeth whitening review. It's just how it works out that this is what I've been posting. So I'm really excited to share this review with you guys, more so than any other review. It's gonna be a good one, okay? HiSmile did send these products to me so that I could do a review for you guys. First, obviously, they sent the teeth whitening kit. So it comes with 3 gels in here, which are, I can't remember off the top of my head how many uses you get out of each one, but it's like multiple uses per syringe of this gel. There is the mouthpiece, mine's still wet because I just used it. And then also there is the LED light, of course. Basically what you do is you take the mouth guard, you fit it onto the LED light. It fits on there nice and secure. You don't have to worry about the LED light falling off. I think it's an LED light. But yeah, the light, stays put. You can do whatever you want while you're waiting for this. It's 10 minutes. You put the gel on both sides of this mouth guard, and then mouth guard tray thing, and then you put that in your mouth and you're good to go. You press the light and you wait 10 minutes, and the best thing about it is you can literally do whatever you want because it's hands-free. You don't have to worry about any of this falling out of your mouth. Like, it just stays there, which I was really surprised. I was nervous that it would just kind of fall out and I'd have to be holding it the whole time because that would be kind of uncomfortable, but you don't have to hold it. Some other teeth whitening products I've tried, you have to keep that teeth whitening gel on forever. You want to see progress, you have to keep it on for hours, and nobody has time for that, okay? Nobody has the time for that. Thing right here, you turn it on and it turns off after 10 minutes. So you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to go find your phone and set your alarm and pay attention. When it turns off, you go spit it out and it makes a little noise like that. So that's basically the best part about it for me, is just that it's hands-free. It takes 10 minutes. You barely have to think about it. It's so easy to work into your routine. Another thing that I was really impressed with was the fact that there is 0 taste to the gel at all, which is beyond surprising to me. I was like, ain't no way that stuff is not going to taste bad, but it didn't taste bad. It tasted like literally nothing. In terms of results, I'm going to put on the screen my before and after so you guys can see. I do still think I need a little bit more time with this product, but I have seen some pretty good results so far. I feel like my teeth definitely look whiter. I like to believe I'm a very sensitive person. I have sensitive skin, sensitive eyes, got a sensitive nose, and my teeth are also pretty friggin' sensitive, and so far, I've had no gum irritation whatsoever. I really haven't been having any tooth sensitivity. I would say right after you use this, if you go drink a cold glass of water, you might be like, ooh, that's not the best feeling. But I wake up in the morning and it's totally gone away, totally fine. Another thing that they did send over is this day and night toothpaste kit. Basically just, you get 2 toothpastes. It comes with a day toothpaste and a night toothpaste. It really helps with the overall whitening process. They're both really designed to go with the teeth whitening kit. So the day toothpaste is the most exciting part to me of these toothpastes because it has a protective micro shield wax in it, so that if you brush your teeth in the morning and then you go drink some coffee, the idea, right, is that the coffee is not going to restain your beautifully white teeth that you've worked hard to get. So that part to me really sticks out just because I am a huge coffee drinker. If I didn't drink coffee, I feel like my teeth would be so white right now, if I was a normal person, but I drink 3 cups a day. So the day toothpaste has aloe vera in it, which apparently controls bacteria and helps, not get cavities, which I had no idea. They actually both have aloe vera in it, by the way. They both have a natural peppermint oil, which gives a very subtle peppermint flavor to it. Night toothpaste is cool because it actually has that activated charcoal in it. It has that charcoal in it, which is, everyone's all about the activated charcoal to whiten your teeth. It also has bentonite clay in it, which I've never heard of before. but apparently it detoxifies and remineralizes your teeth. Both of these are fluoride, SLS, and PEG free. Yeah, they're just very natural ingredients, it sounds like. It says that they are vegan and gluten-free, which is always good. You can actually set up a subscription for the teeth whitening gel, for the toothpaste, so you're just getting, you know, every so often you get sent a new one. And I believe the subscription cost, like the price, is actually discounted. Alright guys, so that is kind of it for the products and what I thought of them. If I had to be completely honest with you guys, this is the teeth whitening system that I would recommend to you over anything else. Smile Brilliant sent me stuff, Carbon Cocoa sent me stuff, and so did HiSmile, and after trying out all three of them, I have to say HiSmile, I got the fastest results I think I've seen, and it's also the most convenient one out of all of them. I would just highly recommend trying this out if you're looking for a good teeth whitening thing. I would definitely recommend this to my friends. I would recommend, I mean, you guys are my friends. I consider you guys my friends, so I would recommend it to you guys. Alright guys, so that's it for me. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you so much.